All right, so what I'm showing you here is how I use the Travel Business Mentor AI bot to write my things to do travel guide for Turk and Caicos. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. Okay, so I uploaded the prompt, as you can see, and it gave me all of the information, things to do, see, eat. I had to change it to put the Viator link at the end, but as you can see, that was easy to update. So it added all the information, and then after that, I just copied and pasted into Facebook group, the Travel Tribe. Copied and pasted the information there. And then I just made some edits to it. So like spaced it out. Because I like when it's spaced out rather than all jumbled together. So I feel like it's easier to read when it's spaced out. So I just went through, did that. Once I finished spacing it all out, I just added my Expedia link and my Viator link at the end. So this is really good to share on social media, definitely on Pinterest, because with Pinterest, think evergreen. If people are on there searching for things to do in Turk and Caicos, places to stay, your Expedia and your Viator link is out there and it's connected to it. This is also good for those people who like to book their own travel because, everybody's not going to want to use a travel agent. That's cool. So if you want to use Viator or Expedia to book your tours or book your hotel stays, then hey, use my link so that way I can still earn the commission. So this is really just showing you other ways to make additional income outside of just booking trips directly for your clients. You're putting the information out there, and those who are interested in booking with you will book with you, and those who may want to do it themselves can, but you'll just get the commission or credit for them using your link.